Alright, so all you need for this install of the new air intake is, this is an 8mm, this one as well is an 8mm, and then right here this one is at 10, and then all the way down there's another 10, and then if you come to this side there's 11mm right here, and then you just unbolt all those and then take it off. Alright, now that we have these out, we're just gonna swap over the parts onto this new one that I painted wrinkled black. Looks pretty good. I don't really like all the chrome stuff on my car. As you can tell, I also painted this wrinkled black. So after about 40 minutes, I finally got this thing in. It wasn't fitting because it was too long because of this K&N filter that I have right here. It's like super huge. So what I had to do was ended up cutting off these two pieces from the end right here, because this OEM one is way shorter than that aftermarket one. So finally got it in.